Hey everyone, I'm going to do a quick tutorial on how I did this half wrap that everyone's asking about. So I've got myself a Flaxen Feelings Scarf. I've got my hair tied up in a bun, kind of messy bun up high. If you want to have your hair showing at top like I do, make sure you tie it high up. I did this with a velvet headband. The first time I did it, I did not do it with a velvet headband, and it actually stayed pretty well because the Flaxen Feelings scarf is grippy. So if you have a grippy scarf like the New York Brights or Flaxen Feelings, then you can do it without a headband, but the headband will make it more secure. So I kind of bunched this up, and then with one end kind of shorter and one end quite a bit longer, took it behind my neck, and then bring it up like so over. You can have your ears out or not. Crisscross once and twice. Now here's where you have a lot of choices. Like this would be a very nice do right here, but you can actually crisscross it, let's say a little bit more to the side here. And that would be like more of a side look. If you're wearing a velvet headband and it's not the same color as your hair like what I have here, then you want to make sure that it's covered. I think I will do this side, why not? Okay. And depending on how big or voluminous you want it, you may or may not have it lying flat on your head. Yeah, I kind of liked it better on this side. And you can play around with it and have the tails hanging wherever you'd like. Okay, so I got my crisscross, and then it's kind of up to you how you want to tie it, how tight you want to tie it. This is what I like. I'm gonna just move it back a little. There you go. So I just tie it like this at the back. Just one knot, and then this end is hanging down. Now you've got this little part left here, which I am just gonna loop under for extra security. You can also do a double knot if you want, but just I want that end out of the way. And there you go. Make sure the headband is covered. You can have your ears out, ears in. It can be farther back, farther forward, wider, whatever you want. Hope this explains it. Bye.